Assalamu alaikum. This is Shafiqul Islam from Shafiqul PPC. In this video, I am gonna show you how to set up scrolling depth in GA4 with the help of GTM. Okay, so let's start the video. And first of all, I need to configure the variables. So it is built-in variables, but user variables not working here. Okay, so I go to configure this and okay, scrolling from scrolling section, you have to click this three variables. Okay, and then I need to make a trigger for these variables. Okay, and I go to trigger section and create new trigger, name here the GA4 scroll depth trigger. Okay, and then set up from here. This is scroll depth, and need to set up the vertical scrolling. How you want to configure it, horizontal scroll depth or vertical scroll depth. I need to set up vertical scroll depth, and here is mentioned the percentage. Okay, I want to set up it 25 and 50 and 75 and 100. Okay, that's all for here, and save change. Next step is tag setup. Coming here, tag, and create a name here, give a name GA4 for scroll depth depth tag. Okay, and then click the tag configuration, and it must be a GA4 event, and then which code is configured here. It's base code, and event name is scroll. Scroll, and event parameter should be choose from here and give a name which is scroll, and call the event parameter here. This is the threshold, and which trigger you want to select for this. This is the GA4 scroll depth trigger. Okay, and save change. After any tag creation, you have to submit. I submit it, and don't put the name here right now. Okay, continue. Okay, to tag. Go to workspace to check your tag is working or not, and then from workspace you should click the preview mode. It's debugging mode, and connect to your website. After connecting, you will go the website section, website page, and still your tag is not fired here. Okay, so I go to website and scroll. Now go to check. Scrolling is fire here. Okay, the scroll depth, click, and variable check the 25% fire. Okay, I scroll more than here and check this is 50%, and this may be 100% and 75%. Okay, and now I go to web analytics and check the scrolling depth is coming here or not. Okay, go to admin section, and then go to debugging view, and then scrolling is come here. 3 event file. First one is 25, second one should be 50, yes, third one should be 75, yes, all is working. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel to get more videos from my channel. Thank you very much.